Good afternoon. You're with Uncle Romulo, and you are no, not in his garden, but at his small apartment. And he's going to show you the updates of his chayote and his sweet peas. Come on, join me. Today is the 7th of February. Yeah, indeed, I think too early, but let's keep them here. Still too cold. And these are my chayotes. This has grown significantly since it was planted. That was in early January. This was pinched here to encourage side growth, and look, it's now branching. They say that, or more experienced growers say that Chayote should have at least 6 side branches at the bottom. This one is almost a miracle. In just 3 weeks, it has grown that much. So I'm thinking of pinching it as well here, or cutting, because we can no longer pinch this, to also encourage side shoots like this one. What do you think? Shall we just let it grow like this? Allow nature to take its course? I planted these sweet peas a month ago, and because of the low sun, they have become leggy. I thought of supplementing sunlight with my artificial LED lights, but I wanted to save on electricity, and it is the result. I've read from different online resources that it's good to pinch the tip to encourage side shoots or side branches, and I think that's good because since they are leggy, they can produce side shoots and become more robust. Yeah, just pinch it like that. Above the third leaves, mature leaves, this one. So these are my sweet peas, and here are my tomatoes, moneymaker variety. I think I've started them too early, middle of January.